Bienvenidos amigos, welcome my friends. I am Francisco and I will be making a sigil against storms. A sigil is a symbol or a drawing that represents an intention. I will be using these symbols to show you my personal way of crafting sigils. Punto de partida. My starting point is going to be Florida because I am flying to the peninsula of Florida. For this sigil against storms, I'm going to visualize a protective barrier that surrounds the peninsula of Florida. For this barrier, I'm inviting element Earth. That's our first symbol. Element Earth is heavy and passive, so it's going to block the winds and the storms. I invoke element Earth to protect the coasts of Florida. Next in my visualization is element Fire, and this is how I see it. As a wall of fire. Element Fire is active, so it's going to fight back and push back the winds and the rains into the ocean. I invoke and invite element Fire into my sigil to cast storms away. So I draw element Fire, our second alchemical symbol, as a triangle. Finally, I visualize the sky opening and the sun shining. I invite the sun to shine over my sigil. The symbol for the sun, or a solar circle. Because I don't want to invite anything else in my sigil, I'm going to enclose it. This figure has my intention contained within, and it's invoking these elements: Earth, Fire, and Sun. Now I'm going to create a pentacle because I want all the other elements to participate. I don't want them fighting each other. I want them to work together and help me. With the pentacle, I am inviting spirit, water, fire, earth, and air to participate in this spell. Now my sigil is ready. I'm going to light a candle. I let the candle burn as I meditate. After that, I'm just gonna save the sigil and add it to my book of shadows. Blessings and bendiciones para todos in the path of the storms, including Puerto Rico and Bahamas. If you like sigils, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe, and I will see you next time.